The first thing you're going to do is kick to the front 5 times, kick to the side 5 times, and kick to the back 5 times. And then change legs. Kick to the front 5 times, kick to the side 5 times, and kick to the back 5 times. Go into a lunge and hold it for 15 seconds. Then you're going to put your elbows down and hold it for 15 seconds. Then you're going to do this and hold it for 15 seconds. Now you're going to slide into your splits. If you can't do the splits, then just try to go as low as you can. And hold it for 15 seconds. Now you're going to change legs. So go into a lunge and hold it for 15 seconds. Then put your elbows down and hold it for 15 seconds. Now you're going to do this and hold it for 15 seconds. Now slide into the splits and hold it for 15 seconds. Now go into the butterfly position and flap your wings, and do that for 15 seconds. Then push down on your knees so your knees can touch the ground, and hold it for 15 seconds. Now go into the frog position and hold it for 15 seconds. Now go into a straddle. Now lean to one side and stay there for 15 seconds. And lean to the other side and hold it for 15 seconds. Now lean forward as low as you can go and hold it for 15 seconds. Now touch your toes with your feet flexed and hold it for 15 seconds. Now point your feet and touch your toes and hold it for 15 seconds. Now hug your knees, and you can do this as long as you want. Now go into the child position. Now you are done.